In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay using GCash on Netflix. By the end, you'll be able to set up your Netflix membership and pay quickly and securely with your GCash wallet. First, open Netflix in your web browser or launch the Netflix app. If you're creating a new account, you'll be guided straight into the sign-up flow. Start by choosing the plan that fits your needs. Take a moment to compare the options on the screen. Each plan clearly lists video quality and how many devices can watch at the same time. Once you're happy with your choice, move forward by tapping Next. You'll now arrive at the payment section. Look for the payment method area and continue to the part where you can select how you want to pay. On the list of choices, find and select Digital Wallet. When it asks you to choose a wallet, pick GCash. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your mobile number. Type the number that's registered to your GCash account. Double-check it for accuracy. This matters because any confirmation code or authorization prompt will go to that exact number. After confirming the number, click Start Membership. From here, just follow the prompts that appear on your screen. Netflix will redirect you to GCash's secure page or app to complete the authorization. You may be asked to verify your identity and confirm the payment, sometimes with a one-time code. Keep your phone nearby, make sure your signal is stable, and don't close the browser or app until you see a success message. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Ensure your GCash account is active and has enough balance, or that it's linked to a supported funding source. Make sure the name and number on GCash match what you're entering on Netflix. If you don't immediately see GCash under Digital Wallet, the option may vary by region or device. Try updating your app or switching to a web browser. If a page seems stuck, refresh carefully and repeat the last action, but avoid submitting the same payment multiple times. Once GCash confirms the authorization, you'll be brought back to Netflix. Your membership will activate and you can start streaming right away. You'll receive confirmation from both Netflix and GCash, so keep an eye out for those messages as your proof of successful setup. That's it. Open Netflix, choose your plan, select Digital Wallet, pick GCash, enter your mobile number, click Start Membership, and follow the on-screen prompts. Enjoy your shows and happy streaming.